It's usually a really good thing when your company files for IPO. It means things are going well, you're about to go public, and people are going to have a chance to buy your stock. In the case of Anthropic, though, they are starting the process. And that actually means that the rich are about to get richer and the AI bubble is going to pop. Here's how. AI bubble is going to pop. This is the most definitive sign that we've seen so far. Anthropic submits its initial draft S1 to the SEC. This kicks off the process of an IPO, an initial public offering, where they will be offered on a general stock ticker where you and I can purchase shares of Anthropic. Like I mentioned in the intro, this usually seems like great news, right? They're going to IPO. People are going to be made rich. This company is doing business hand over foot. But are they really? That's where the story goes off the rails for me. Let me tell you why this is actually bad news for the AI industry. Right now, there is a business guy at Anthropic, and he's seeing a number of things. This is a guy that doesn't give a shit about the technology. Doesn't give a shit about it. He gives a shit about balance sheets, cash in and cash out, how much money they can raise, how much they're burning, their partnership deals. That's what this guy cares about. He doesn't care about if the next model is going to be great or not. He doesn't care. Doesn't care. Doesn't need to, not paid to. And what this guy is seeing right now is we don't have a clear mechanism for making money. We sell $20 Claude plans that if people use the whole thing, it's actually costing us $100 to $200. The only reason we're making money is because our hype is high and people want to keep investing in us because we keep telling the general public that we are going to lay off every worker ever and we're going to replace them with AI. Everything comes down to that myth that we're going to replace everything with AI. And their business guy, their money guy knows this. So one of two things has to happen. The myth either needs to survive long term or they need to take their money and get the fuck out. They're going to do the latter because the initial can't work. They cannot persist this myth any longer. People are starting to wake up through my channel, through other people who are reporting on this, through your own experience. People don't want data centers in their backyard. People know at this point that NVIDIA is a circular funding scheme. You can go watch my other video on that explains that very quick, very clear, very succinctly. Don't have to be a finance bro to understand it. Go check that out after this one if you haven't. And people know that the models, they're great. They're doing a lot of cool stuff, but they're hardly coming for most software jobs anytime soon. And you're delusional if you think that at this point. You're undergoing AI psychosis. They're watching the myth be exposed in real time. This money guy sitting in his San Francisco office somewhere. And he realizes we need to pursue option two. We need to get out now before the myth comes crashing down. We have 50% underemployment for our recent college grads. People don't want the data centers. People are mad about this. People hate AI. They're booing AI at the commencement speeches right now. So we need to get out ahead of this. We need to do an IPO. Once we do the IPO, it frees up our money. We can cash out and we can diversify into safer investments that have nothing to do with AI. That's exactly what they're going to do. So this IPO spells the end of the AI bubble. It means it's going to pop because you have rats scurrying to get away from the flood. Mark my words, prediction on this channel, they will IPO. There will be extremely high volatility in the stock price once they do an IPO. And then all of the members of the company that have a significant share vested, stock options in RSUs, they will cash out most, if not all of those, and they will convert them into an ETF or something more general because none of them originally believed in the cause in the first place. They believed that they could dupe you into believing that AI was going to replace you. If you're digging the content here, I am glad. I'm also surprised you saw the video because I am getting shadow banned on YouTube. More and more reports every day of people showing up to videos that I make with thousands of comments, seeing no comments on the video. I am shadow banned. They're not showing these videos to hardly anybody. My impressions, despite strong viewer metrics, have been slashed by about 75% since last month. They're actively suppressing my channel. They cannot actively suppress a newsletter unless they put way more effort in. So let's make it hard for them. Sign up for my newsletter, newsletter.drjoshcsimmons.com. If I'm saying about 80% controversial things here, I'm saying 100% in the newsletter because they can't censor me, penalize me, or ban me for it there. Newsletter.drjoshcsimmons.com. Don't forget to sign up for that in case we get disconnected here because Even if we don't, you're probably not always going to see these videos in your feed. But I have to get going now because it looks like the sun is setting. It's a beautiful pink sunset in Arizona.